Okay, in this video, I've given you a spreadsheet, and this spreadsheet contains everything about a shape, meaning that I have this shape is trapezoid, it's value 1, 2, and 3. You then look at here for trapezoid, and value 1 is associated to t base 1. Value 2 is associated to t base 2, and value 3 is value is associated to the height. Let's go to the square, and the square here, value 1 and 2 are associated to the base and the height. So this is the mapping. Now, what we've done in class is we've hard-coded the values. Instead of doing that in class, I want you to read this file, and based on what the file tells you to do, so this means I'm going to instantiate a trapezoid. I want to instantiate a square. I will instead in trapezoid, instantiate a circle, a square, and so on, and these are the numbers associated to it, and this is the definition of the map. So we're going to create a data access object that will read this spreadsheet and load this information into memory. So instead of hard coding the values, it's actually coming from a file. So we'll have access to multiple shapes. So that is the goal, to do that, okay? So in the next video, we're going to create a data access object that's responsible for doing that, and so on. This is the link to the files that I'll be grabbing, meaning that some XML files, which I'll talk about in a few seconds. And that's really it. So let's go down here and see how many rows I have. It's a lot of rows with a lot of shapes. But the whole idea is I don't want to do this by hand. This will dynamically come from a Excel spreadsheet. Okay? So that's the first step.